Hello, I'm Fairuz and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to make a video about what's in my bag or what's in my backpack. And this is my backpack from Decathlon. I bought it from Decathlon like a year ago, and to me the size of 10 liter is a perfect fit for my daily activities. And it has a small compartment for like keys or earphone, and document compartment because the size is only 10 liters, so I can only fit like an iPad or phone. I cannot fit my 14 or 15-inch laptop in here. And this is a small access compartment, and it's very easy to access, like train cards, access cards. Up next, I would like to describe all items that I usually take in my daily activities. This is one of my favorite item. This is a small packing box from Torch. It is actually for gadget stuff like charger, cables and wires, but I usually use it for like my hat and my mask and my tamban. Yeah, and I usually can fit a lot of cables in there, and like power banks, yeah, something like that, good stuff. Up next, this is my daily items for my commuter at Subway. It's really cheap, but I think it's pretty durable. It's only 10,000 rupiah. It has a zipper on it, so I don't have to worry my cards fall out. Up next, this is my medical pouch. My mom gave it to me, so I don't know where she bought it. This is very easy for me to access my meds and take my meds regularly. This is a small document bag, or map. This is very useful for tickets, notes, receipt, and it keep my bag organized. Yeah, and I like to keep just at least one pen. It's also useful for boarding pass, and it's slim, and I can take it out easily from my bag. The size is A5, so it's pretty small, smaller than regular paper. This is my rain cover from Deuter. It protects my backpack from rains, but I think it's too big for my backpack, and I would like to buy a smaller one. This is my wallet. I bought it from like Press Play, from a store called Press Play. This wallet is pretty slim. Yeah, not pretty, but so slim, and it's really handy. It can fit like 10 money on it, and it's very similar like Bellroy wallet note sleeve, but because Bellroy is so expensive, so I can only afford this. Maybe if I have money later, I will buy the Bellroy note sleeve. And because my wallet is small and it cannot fit coins on it, so I have this batik coin wallet, and you can fit a lot of coins on it. Yeah, it's pretty handy and small. Doesn't take so much space. And this is my wired earphones from Samsung. Yeah, I can only afford this. Maybe if I have better money, yeah, or better job, I would like to buy like a wireless Samsung earphone. It's like 2 millions or 1 million rupiah, right? Yeah, it's really expensive. I think that's it, guys. And now I would like you to watch me how to assemble things on my backpack. This goes here. Can fit like 2 wallet in here, and I usually put my phone in here also. Goes here. My commuter card. My rain cover bag. And last, my earphone. I think that's it. I hope you enjoy my video. See you.